is a cat channel.
Hey, this is Devin and Dylan. She is out of our channel. And this is our cat getting high on catnip.
My cat.
Her cat. Well, they're moving in my house, so yeah, it's a bit hard. And that one's over there trying to get high on catnip, but it's not working. And this one's already high on catnip.
Please let me get back on YouTube.
She's back on our YouTube channel.
Thank you so much. I'll give you $5 when I get it.
Alright.
$250 of it.
Huh?
I want $250 of it.
I'm the leader.
No.
I don't care.
I'm giving it to him, guys. I have to.
Would that be funny if Lola just stood up and just took off, hit the wall?
That would be hilarious. Like,
Oh, like that dog.
muscle stab him.
I think. Oh,
I should
no
put
one's
more.
getting high.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
She's getting high.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
So we get drunk.
So we smoke weed.
Yeah.
This is my bedroom. We do live in Ohio. That's what makes us cool. Hunting, stop sign. From Florida. Her state. Kitty on catnip.
And me.
And gay boy.
That sounds kind of wrong.
What?
In the bathroom, like you hear all that banging.
Oh! She's getting high.
Put more in Nala.
No, she ain't doing that. She's just licking herself. Hey, take her out there, please.
No, give it to me.
Oh wait, she's giving it. She's giving it a little more of a try.
No, this stuff's making her nicer.
That's the nicest that cat ever has been.
I've never even touched this cat, barely.
Oh, this cat's getting high. Hey, take that cat and put it on the table. There's more up there.
Ow!
She bite you?
No! Quit it!
Never mind. Watch out! Katie, watch out!
Okay.
That hurt too.
Clack-a-mouse. Oh, you gotta clack them. Now throw them on the floor.
What?
Take her out in the living room, please. That cat is on catnip. And this is our video. Devin, Dylan, and Katie, I guess. And Michael, but he's not here. And that cat is being the nicest it's ever been.
Michael's on my YouTube channel now.
Not little Michael, big Michael.
I know.
And add me on Facebook. I ain't telling you my name. Well, I ain't telling none of you my names because you thought you were going to get lucky adding the coolest people in the world. But you're not. Look at this. Look how good I am at clacking balls.
Yeah.
See, watch. Somebody record me doing this crap. Ready? Here we go.
Quit. Ow. You little bastard. No.
Woo! I gotta do it one more time, man. These are ball clackers. They clack your balls.
Have you ever tried them on your real balls?
No.
Get back here, bastard.
Ah, my ankle! This is Devin, and our next video is gonna be freaking hilarious.
Yes, it will. Oh.